Hello guys, this is Brayan, Arreola, international photographer, cinematographer for weddings and